Hi guys, welcome to Eden in the Kitchen channel. Today I'm gonna show you the easy method to make the best cappuccino without a machine at home. Stay tuned. Not everyone has a coffee machine for many reasons. It is expensive and it takes a lot of counter space, but this one is very easy, and that doesn't mean one cannot have a good cup of cappuccino at home. And I thought to share with you my easy method to make good cappuccino in the comfort of your home and without a coffee machine. This is the coffee I'm using. I roast my own coffee at home, and you guys can use the espresso beans and a 3% milk, a milk frother, a percolator, water, Now we are going to fill the bottom with water. And this is the funnel. I'm gonna put ground coffee. Now we're gonna screw the top and the bottom back together. This is the manual frother. I use it to heat the milk and to froth the milk. Now we're gonna heat it up, not boil it, to 1 minute and 30 seconds. The percolator is ready. Or if we have a thermometer, we can use to 140 Fahrenheit. Now the milk is ready. It's heated up, not boiled, as you can see. Now we're gonna plunge to 40 seconds. It becomes really foamy. Now pour your coffee into a cup. or you can pour coffee and the milk at the same time, but this is how I do it at home and it works well. And the milk and the foamy. And I drizzle it with coffee, but you guys can drizzle with cinnamon or cocoa. Just this is how I do it at home. This is really foamy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.